Right guys, if you wanna use the promo code, so you just put it there, it's Oliver, and you gotta place it in the amount there. As you can see, you're gonna receive 50% bonus, which is $50 to your balance. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we'll take a look at another trading session with binary options on Pocket Option. The links are in the description to this video. Make sure to check them out because there is also a promo code for you guys to use and make your deposit use as for bonus and receive a reward, a bonus for your deposit. Let's start the video of today, guys. And let's go with the first option. I'm starting with 75 bucks and see what we can get with that. Oh, here's a few levels I preferred to keep at that time, and here you go. There's a level here. I'm thinking we're gonna bounce off here. It's a strong one. It coincides with a few key points and probably even further. Yep, so we can expect a growth. Apart from that, if we see it's changing the situation, we need to be flexible. So I'm just waiting for it to go down, break through the level, or go up. So in this case, if we break through this strong level, that's an indication. Okay, we're gonna go in with a put option, and here you go. Just be flexible if the situation is changing. Okay, well, just don't just keep going with the first thing that you saw, because it is alive. It can change at any time. Well, as you can see, this indication worked well. There was a strong level and it could have gone, could have bounced off, but obviously we waited. That's the best thing to do if you're unsure. Okay, there's a level, and then if you see a level and you say, oh well, it's gonna bounce off 100%. It's not true. This is the example of it. It may break through even the strongest levels depending on the situation on the market. There's lots of things to that, for which I recommend joining a resource. So it happens we have one, and I'll leave a link, invitation link to this group in Telegram in the description to this video. Right guys, so let's continue. There you go. Next profit would be bigger because we're going to use a compound percentage. We're going to place the amount in the amount box here, 144. This will make it easier for the numbers to go higher, basically, because it's math, right? We're receiving the percentage, and the bigger the amount we place, the better the percentage, the bigger the profit. I don't know if I should say here anything, or you already know what's happening, because the oscillators obviously looking up. The market itself, it had spent quite a while in the lower section of the channel, the Donchian channel I'm referring to. As you can see, it breaks through the middle of the channel, therefore changing its position in the graph. The price goes higher, so now it will probably move up to this section and spend some time there. This is just the cycle that it goes through. And there you go. We just had the profit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep going and placing our new amount, and let's see what's happening. Okay, maybe this here. This is similar. Maybe we'll look for something better. I try to look for something that is pretty much the most obvious choice, because it's visual, right? Like here, for example, we want the price to go down, and started actually, as there is a level. Needless to say, you must, if you watch these videos, you know what's happening. The resistance level is bouncing the price back down, whether it's a pullback, a correction kind of sort. or it is a change of the direction of the trend. It depends. So we'll see what happens here. So far it is not moving too much, but we are surely expecting some movement, so we'll see what happens. And there you go, there's the result. As you can see, it's positive, and we'll just keep going because we want to reach our daily for today, and we'll place the amount right here, and let's see. Alright, so we go. If you watch these videos, you know that my dailies are basically reaching out to a certain amount, and usually what I do is, if I start with something less than $100, I go for like 1k, more or less. Let's see if we can get there. There you go. I think there's still there is a level, although, but looks like we're breaking through it or not. Let's see. Okay, now we see that it's growing, so we'll go in with an option up. So as you can see, checking your levels is really vital. You check the level and you see exactly where to look and what to wait for, right? So we know there's a level. Right now we gotta wait. Is it gonna break through it, or is it gonna bounce off it? And that's it. Apart from that, as you can see, oscillators are actually showing us that they're indicating that the price is going down, and it is. In a global term, that it is. There is a downtrend going on, right? And this could be a pullback, so it can bounce off and then go back to its course, which is down. So can't blame the oscillators. If I went into something like 4 minutes, I would go with an option down in this case, because it doesn't matter that there is a level here, and it doesn't matter if it bounces off it. There you go, we reached our daily of today. It doesn't matter if it bounces off it, because by the time it bounces off and then returns back to its course, our time will still be going. So we'll still reach our destination, right? We'll still make a positive option. And yeah, we're gonna stop here, guys. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if so, and any suggestions and questions. I'll see you next time. All the best. Goodbye.